Hi, brother. How are you?
I'm fine, bro. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Thank you. So, what's your name, brother?
My name is Somnath, bro. I'm studying in BA.
Okay. So, where are you calling from?
I'm from Karnataka. I'm
Okay.
living in Gulbarga right now.
Oh, in Gulbarga.
It's located north part of Karnataka.
Okay, okay, okay. I see.
Are you
Even
heard of?
I remember that few years ago, maybe like 5 to 6 years ago, I visit in Gulbarga. It was
What?
beautiful city. Gulbarga. Do you know Gulbarga?
Yeah, I'm living here.
Okay, like over there, one of college, pharmaceutical college, it's very famous, like Rahul College name, I think. It's very famous.
Yes, yes, yes.
Nearest to platform, Gulbarga platform. And if you talk about one of fort also, it's very famous. Over there, like one of Dargah and fort. It's big
Rajapanda.
one. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, famous
So
in Karnataka right now.
anyway, brother, like what do you do? What's your profession?
Yeah, I told you I'm studying in BA final year right now, Bachelor of Arts.
Okay, bachelor's of arts. Okay, that's great.
Here I will finish this course. I will after that I will go for higher education.
Okay, after degree, like you will go to do a higher study, like MBA and some kind of other one,
MA and or B.Ed.
master, bachelor degree like that. Okay, 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 that's great. Then after what, brother? What's your future plan? What would you do in your life?
Yes. Teacher
Yeah.
in high. I want to become teacher in high school.
Okay, you want to become a teacher, professor in a high school. That's
Yes.
great. Like, what subject you want to teach in front of a student after? Uh-huh.
English.
English. Oh my God, English. Like everyone, brother, become a teacher. Like whenever I connect with stranger people. So if someone say that I want to become a teacher, I want to become a professor. Then if I ask like what kind of teacher you want to become, like English, math, and science, whatever. So lots of people answered me, I want to become a English teacher, brother.
Yeah, I
That's
also. Yeah, yeah.
that's great. So, brother, do you know like become an English teacher? So we have to learn, we have to understand, we have to study proper. Like what is the format and what is a speaking skill, communication, vocabulary, grammar, everything we have to learn. Then we will get a job, good job in teacher department.
Yeah, I know, bro. I will do my level best. I can't speak fluently right now, but I will try to make a good sentence and fluently in English.
Okay, so how do you practice yourself? I think right now.
When I got free time, I will watching Hollywood movies, and after that, I will go for conversation with someone. I will
Okay.
put message in the WhatsApp. I have 4 groups in my WhatsApp.
Oh my God, 4 groups.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah, yeah. I put a message. I am free. So someone is calling me, so that I will make conversation with him for 1 hour or 2 hour. I don't know. It's depend on my free time.
Okay, that's great, brother. Just keep going. So, you told me like I'm learning from a Hollywood movie. I think you told
Yes,
me.
sir.
Am I right? So, what kind of movie, brother, you prefer to watch most of time? What kind of like adventure, science fiction, thriller,
Whatever.
romantic, comedy?
Recent movie I will watch in Hollywood movies like adventure, action, or romance or suspense thriller. I mostly like movies is action movies.
Action movies?
Yeah,
So, how many videos, how many movie you watch before?
yeah. I watch so many movies. I can't count.
Okay. Oh, I
Yeah.
see. Recently, last movie, what was that? Last movie.
Also, watching web series like Game of Thrones, Money Heist, Elite, and Friends, and Vikings. I watch so many web series also.
So do you know Money Heist? Money
Yeah,
Heist.
yeah.
Did you?
Fourth season. I'm waiting for fifth season right now.
Even I'm also waiting for 5 season, brother. Seriously, I watched a fourth
Yeah,
season. It was amazing. Do you
that's
know what was
mind.
that professor and Tokyo and
Yeah,
Bella? It's amazing character. I love it, man.
yes, yes, yes. Uh, have you watched Highlight series?
No, I didn't watch Alex, but I watched like Breaking Bad,
Yeah,
Friends, and Big Bang Theory.
yeah, I'm watching Breaking Bad, but I'm not completed that series.
Okay, I watched the third season, and if you talk about a teacher, he was teacher. He was addicted. He got a like disease like cancer disease. Okay, so he tried to fulfill something new. Like he wanted to survive a whole family. Then he started to some kind of drug dealer. It's amazing. It's amazing. Its character, amazing story. I love it, man. He gave
Mm.
a big lesson in that movie.
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Amazing.
this is the number highest IMDb rating right now.
Okay, I mean this series is like highest right now.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
I see.
It's maybe 9.5 or 9.8. I don't know. 9.8. Is it right?
Okay, but if you talk about brother, my Money Highest, I love it. Seriously, I never forget forever. Money Heist, we can say mind blowing series, brother. Mind blowing. What a mind for professor. What a technique. What a over there. How to he move on? How to he use everything. It's an amazing character, amazing series, brother. Always
I
I try to watch. Yeah.
never watched that series. I'm curious to watch that series. Yeah, I'm also waiting for fifth season. It will
Yeah.
announce to August maybe. I don't know. Is
Yeah,
it right, bro?
maybe in this year 5 season will be released, and
Mm.
5 season definitely they try to show of like how to escape bank,
Yeah, that.
because season they were trying to make a like gold ball gold, and
Yes,
they
yes.
were robbing over there. So in fifth season definitely they will escape. Yeah,
Uh, no,
so it's amazing.
gold melt to liquid. In this way, they
Yeah.
are transferring that
Yes.
gold. Yeah, yeah, yeah. They have
You
so
know, in
many.
that point, if you talk about first season, brother, so he was just common man. Then after that, he collected people and he tried to teach like how to enter, how to kidnap, how to rob, and if you get any critical situation, then how to handle circumstances, everything. He tried to teach,
Mind
and he
blowing.
was this person mind blowing. I love it, man. I never always I give a 5 star in this series, brother. 5 star. I love it.
Same, bro. I'm also giving 5 star that series.
Okay, so
Yeah.
what about friends? This is American TV series. So are you enjoying this thing? Are you enjoying this TV series about friends?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But I'm not complete that series. I'm still watching that series.
I mean, most of time I watch like Jennifer character. It's amazing. She's actor. It's amazing character. Seriously, Jennifer, and we can say like I don't remember right now character name, but this is we can say like it's make a laugh for people. It's amazing TV series we can say American TV series. Friend, and it's gonna help for improvement, brother, about English language. Whoever learning a English language, so if we try to watch this series like Friends series, definitely we will understand like what do you mean by family drama, what is a conversation, and what is a situation, how to pronunciation, how to talk more in TV series, brother. And maybe 10 to 15 series already released. It's we can say this series they are making a around maybe since 10 to 15 years, I think, continuously. Am I right?
Yes, yes, bro. Yes.
Yeah, it's
Mm.
amazing series.
It's amazing. Yeah, yeah.
So what about any movie, brother? What about any movie? Do you know last time
Uh, Avengers series.
which series?
Avengers series.
Avengers. Oh, okay. Oh my God, Avengers. Everyone know that. Recently, brother, I watched your Fast and Furious trailer. Do you know? Did you watch?
I
Fast
watched. I never watched, bro.
Oh my god, it's amazing thriller, brother. It's amazing, fabulous. And already we know very well all Avengers series.
We
Yeah.
need to watch that movie.
What, brother?
Fast and Furious is
Yeah.
it will release.
Like maybe in June month. I'm not sure about in June month. I think 15 June, and in May this movie will come like Fast and Furious 9 part. Like what a character, very well, Vin Diesel and Paul and Luke, like that. And another one of actor, I don't remember her name. She was outstanding. She performed very well in that movie. And if you talk about Fast and Furious, brother, whole series related to, like, cars and bikes. Most of time cars. It's amazing. Whoever loving a riding a car, like driving a car, so those people, they love to, Fast and Furious series, whole series, riding car.
Yes, yes.
Even you don't believe me, brother, I watch 1,000, 1,000, two and 3,000 movie, Hollywood movie, because I'm addicted to Hollywood movie, brother. I love it. I do not watch a Bollywood movie. Very few time I watch, but if you talk about Hollywood, I love it. Yeah.
How do you get that time? You watched 1,000 movies.
Like I have been watching movies since 5 to 6 years ago. That moment to still now, I'm watching, not every day, but whenever I get a time, I watch at least one movie, brother.
Oh, okay, okay, it's good. You are good at it.
Yeah. Because why I love to Hollywood movies, because over there, like new skills, we can say VFX, and like, technique, and we can say like what is a story. Whenever we
Mhm.
try to watch a Hollywood movies, so that moment we can say, like, we think about, is this possible or not. Science fiction movie, we can learn something about technical department, technical, like that. Hacker. So that's why reason I prefer to Hollywood movie. And second thing, brother, we are learning a English language. So if we try to watch a Hollywood movie, it's gonna help for our improvement. Like whenever we try to watch a
Definitely.
movie, subtitle, with
Yes.
subtitle, then we will feel, we will learn something, word, pronunciation, situation, character, how to talk, how to start, how to deliver our idea, deliver our thought. So that's why
Yeah.
reason I Hollywood movie, brother. Because movie is like entertainment, and second thing, we can learn from movie, and we can
Yes.
understand, we can build
Mm,
ourselves.
yes. Yes. Yeah, yeah, we can
Suppose,
learn
yeah,
easily in English.
if you happy about your hobby, we can say you love to watching a Hollywood movie. Just assume that this is your hobby. So definitely your hobby will convert to your life, and whatever you love to English language, whatever you are trying to learn an English language, definitely it's gonna help, because you are passionate about you have an interest that things. That's
Mm-hmm.
why you can learn. So
Yes, sir.
interest is important, brother.
Mm-hmm. But I don't
Yeah.
have time too much. But when I got free time, so maybe I get 1 hour or 2 hours. I usually use for watching Hollywood movies.
Oh, I see. So, brother, how do you find the Hollywood movie? Do you have any
Yeah.
software? Do you have any application? How do you download yourself?
Telegram. I get all movies in Telegram,
Telegram.
free of cost.
But nowadays, brother, I think Telegram stop it, because some kind of like issue over there going on. Because if you talk about a particular movie, we do not find easily. But it's a 6 to 7 month ago, we easily found over there. But now that's very difficult. It's a kind of issue over there, brother. Some kind of problem is going on. You know?
Uh, if I don't get in Telegram, I will go for Vidmate, and I will definitely found in that tab.
Oh,
Many
I see.
are available in Vidmate.
Okay, that's great, brother. Just watch a movie and learn yourself. We can learn ourselves, brother, because this is one thing. Like whatever we watch, immediately we think, immediately we tell. So
Yes, yes,
watching,
we can digest
listening,
easily.
important. Two things. It's very very important, brother. These
Yes, yes.
two things we will learn our English language if we follow these two things, brother. Seriously. If you confuse, then think about your mother tongue language. How do we learn? How did we learn? Like only for watching and listening. Then
Okay.
after that we try to practice. So same thing, watch a movie, like not not movie, any kind of video, YouTube video, any related video about English language. Listen podcast, automatically our tongue will be producing, our tongue, our mind will thinking English, and automatically we can speak English.
Yeah, yeah. That's
Yeah.
thing, bro. Yeah, I know. I know. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm.
So anyway, brother, our video is going to lengthy, and right now I'm going to stop here. It was amazing conversation. Okay.
Thank you, bro.
Thank
You
you very
give
much.